Okay, today we are going to discuss the reactivity of these three compounds. You can see on first compound the Cl group is there and NO2 group is there, and the position is 1-2 position. So it is orthonitrochlorobenzene. Again, orthonitrochlorobenzene. The second structure, the position here is 1-3 position. So it is metanitrochlorobenzene. And the last one, the position is 1-4. So it is paranitrochlorobenzene. So we are going to discuss the reactivity of these three compounds. First, let's take orthonitrochlorobenzene. In order to find out the reactivity, we have to draw the resonance structures here. How? Look here. These three bonds are there in benzene structure, and chlorine, it is having three non-bonding electron pairs. Now, what will happen? One of that pair participates in resonance structure. So it will make double bond here, and this double bond will break and make a negative ion here. So new structure will be like this. Okay, what happens here? One pair participates in resonance structure, so it forms double bond here, and this double bond, benzene's double bond, breaks and makes a negative ion here. Now chlorine loses its electron, so it becomes positive here. Now in next structure, this negative ion will make double bond here, and this double bond will break and make a negative ion here. So negative ion will be now on 4th number carbon. In next structure, this negative ion will make double bond here, and this bond breaks and make a negative ion here. So negative ion is on Cl is on 6th number carbon here. Now NO2 group is there in all structure. And lastly, we'll get our main structure. Now you can see this carbon is having NO2 group, and negative ion comes on that carbon only. Like we discussed in earlier session, that NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. It attracts electron, and electrons comes on same carbon. So this structure is more stabilized here. Why this structure is stabilized? Because NO2 group is electron withdrawing group, and negative ion comes on same carbon. That's why this is more stable. More stable means more reactive, because it has more number of resonance structure. Now this one is our paranitrochlorobenzene. Now in case of that, these are three double bonds, Cl, 6 non-bonding electrons, and NO2 group. Now what will happen? One of non-bonding electron pair participates in resonance structure. as we discussed earlier. Now second, this negative ion will go on fourth number carbon. Okay, then negative ion will go on sixth number carbon. Then last we'll get original structure back. Now you can see this carbon number 4, that is having NO2 group, and on same carbon negative ion is there. So this NO2 group attracts this electron. It wants electron, and negative ion comes on same carbon, so it is more stable. Again, more stable, more reactive. Means ortho and para are more reactive than meta position when electron withdrawing group is there. Okay, ortho and para are more reactive than meta position when electron withdrawing group is there in haloarenes. Now in case of meta position, this one is our meta-nitrochlorobenzene. In case of that, what happens here? If we try to draw resonance structure, this electron will make double bond. This double bond will break and make a negative ion. Then negative ion will come on fourth number carbon. Then negative ion will go on sixth number carbon. Then we'll get original structure back. Now here you can see negative ion does not come on carbon number 3, that is having NO2 group on it. So it is less stable and less reactive. Again, negative ion does not come on the carbon that having NO2 group, electron withdrawing group on it. So it is less stable and less reactive.